Have you tried pesto fried eggs? If you haven't, you've got to try this because this is a game changer and something I do so often. You simply add some pesto to your olive oil when you're cooking the eggs and allow them to cook in the pesto. This gives them an incredible flavour. I've made this pesto using wild garlic. It's my pesto fried eggs. This one's having a bit of a bubble moment. I'm going to serve it with some red peppers that I've cut in half and put some onions in with olive oil and baked in the air fryer. That's my veg, that's my fibres. Then I've got these amazing rolls that I keep talking about that I've made literally out of chickpeas. They are the fluffiest, most gorgeous rolls. They've got 5 grams of fibre, 5 grams of protein, and about 99 calories a roll, so you can't really go wrong with them. But these are the eggs. Look at them, they're all green and utterly gorgeous. I'm also going to do something that you're either going to love or you hate, and that is I'm going to put some cottage cheese inside my peppers. Cottage cheese is a great protein top up at 10 grams per 100 grams. So this is my 30 grams of protein lunch. And just in case you were wondering, it tastes insane. It's amazing. Pesto fried eggs, you've got to try it.